missed the first half of the question because I was looking there. Sorry.
Okay, I was thinking that Piku has got so much of love and appreciation, and now do you think that actresses can actually pull off a movie on their shoulders? It's all ready.
I'd like to believe so. I'd like to believe so. Um, but like, I don't want it to get into this whole feminism zone or women's empowerment. Um, I think we've begun to sort of misconstrue that a little bit. Um, I think all we're looking for is equality in every way, whether it's the kind of films that we get or the kind of roles that we get or the kind of money that we make. I think one is just really looking for equality, and I think we're definitely headed in the right direction. And I think good scripts and very, very strong female parts is a good beginning.
And it is said that women, the actresses are not paid much than the actors. So now
It's
is it
true.
the right time that the actresses should also be paid as much as the actors are?
It's a long debate. Processes need to be put in place. Um, and of course, there's so many factors. It's yes, it is true that I think the guys get paid way more than the girls get paid, but there is a reason also for that. But also now times are changing, so maybe now we need to start adapting to that. But again, like I said, we're definitely, I'm very optimistic about that, and I definitely believe that we're headed in the right direction. And I think the beginning is already happening with the kind of films and with the kind of roles, and I think we're definitely headed in that
And
direction.
are you open now to a woman-oriented movie that you can actually pull off on your shoulders? Are you ready? Do we see you in future doing such kind of movies more again?
I think I've always been. I don't think I've ever, and I think you can see in my body of work that I don't think I've ever just stuck to doing one kind of cinema. I've done, I can do a piku, but I also do, like different kinds of films. And again, I won't do a woman-centric film for the sake of doing a woman-centric film. It has to excite me, like Piku has. It has the subject and the story has to be exciting. I have to find the character challenging. I have to find the film exciting, and then I'll definitely do it. I wouldn't do it just for the heck of doing it. Piku again, was one of those films that I completely identified with. I believe it's the story of you and me. It's the story of every girl. It's the story of every family. It's a story that I was excited to tell, and something that I was excited about. So if something like this comes my way, most definitely.
Did you have any idea that Pink will exist in the time when you started off?
So, एक minute, huh? Sorry.
कोई भी idea कि the time when you started that Pico will be existed, because after that also a movie got released that is not even doing that well on box office today.
I don't think any of us expected this kind of a reaction. I would be lying if I said that I didn't expect people to like Piku, because that's why we do films. We sign films because we know that somewhere deep down inside, or we hope that somewhere deep down inside, people will identify with it, they'll like it. I thought, chalo, they'll go to the theatre, they'll say, acha, achhi film hai, and they'll leave. I really did not expect for the audience to start taking ownership of the film. And that's what I've been saying. I feel like the film is beyond even our control now, because the audience, whatever promotion, publicity is happening, the audience is doing. And I think I just started my acting career at that time, but that was related to a brand. Again, if it's brand related, I don't know. Let's see, but I would love to go with a film. I haven't seen pictures, but I do believe that it's a huge platform, and I'm extremely proud of her and everyone, Sonam, Aishwarya, everyone who's going. I'm extremely proud of them, and hopefully one day I'll also be able to make it there.
Deepika, how's Tamasha shaping up? Deepika, tell us about that also, because we are eagerly waiting कि हाँ क्या होने वाला है next. हाँ, fitness one. Yes.
So Tamasha is my next release. Tamasha is my next release. We're releasing on the 27th of November. And I'm excited. The film is ready. I have just about 4 or 5 days of work left. But the film is ready, and that is my next release. So I'm very excited. Actually, in the last 10 days, मुझे I don't think I've needed to work out because we just finished shooting a song for Bajirao Mastani and ऐसे उन्होंने कहा मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे इरफान खान के साथ भी काम करने का मौका मिला है एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई कैन वर्क विद रणबीर कपूर एज वेल आई थिंक it's very and Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan. I think it's exciting for me as an actor that I have that range that I can work with different people and work in different kinds of films. बहुत ही बढ़िया and इस साल अगर आप मुझे पूछेंगे कि which film would you like to be a part of, I think Dil Dhadakne was one of those films that I really wish that I was a part of. Zoya is a very close friend and she had given me the script to read just for some feedback and it's a fantastic film. It's a fantastic film. It's a fantastic script. I hope the film has shaped up as well as the script has and I'm really looking forward to that.
Okay, thank you. अगर
जी I'm looking forward myself to watch Bombay Velvet. I think it's one of the most anticipated films of the year. My friends are working in it. I'm a huge fan of Anurag Kashyap and his work. So maybe in the next couple of days when I'm over this whole Piku high that we're all on, I'll go and watch the film. As far as both the films are concerned, I think the films are very, very different. And that will have a different kind of audience and Piku has a different kind of audience and it's very easy in today's time for different kinds of films to coexist very comfortably.
Deepika, which
आप आए हैं तो obviously मैं enjoy करूँगी.
Deepika, which role has intrigued you more in Dil Dhadakne, the Priyanka's or Anushka's?
I think it would be very unfair to say which one is this thing. As a film, as a whole, to me it's looking very, very exciting. On paper, when I read the script, I think every character contributes equally to the success of that, to that film and what that film will become eventually. So yeah, it's never really the size of the role, but how special you make it. लोग फिल्म में मेरी तारीफ कर रहे हैं but I will give him the credit for that because I think he has just made me look like a much better artist and a much better performer. I think when you're working like people like Amit ji, when you're working like with people like Irfan, they bring out the best in you and I consider myself extremely fortunate कि मुझे अमित जी और इरफान दोनों के साथ एक ही फिल्म के अंदर काम करने का मौका मिला. A lot. I'm sure you've seen the film and there's a lot of comic moments and as actors it's very difficult to keep a straight face and do that because just the same way the audience is finding it very funny, we also find it really funny but we still have to go there and do it like a scene, perform it like a scene, so it was really difficult. In fact, in one of the scenes, nobody has picked it up yet, but in one of the scenes I'm actually smiling throughout when I'm not supposed to because I found one of the scenes really, really funny and I couldn't control myself.
Deepika, on an ending note, you have said Sultan and Shruti together, right?
Huh?
Both the movies together. Sultan and Shruti,
Huh?
you are in both of the films. It's
No. The only films I have right now are Tamasha, which is releasing on the 27th of November, and I think Bajirao Mastani will release on the 18th of December, I think.